I'm picking up a test in 30 minutes. Hi, how are you? No. Alright, thank you. Good morning, everybody. It's an absolutely beautiful day for a run. So I actually went to campus and picked up my COVID-19 test kit. So what do you say we head back to the apartment and figure out how the heck to actually take this test? So I think I have to spit until I fill it to that fill line. Good to go. Alright, the test is done. Now I'm gonna quickly go drop this off back on campus and then head over to Shenley Park to hang out with Sakshi, drink some margaritas, and watch some Avatar. It's gonna be fun. Alrighty, quick and easy drop off. Now we're off to Shenley. Perfect, thank you. Alright, I got it. It's literally in like a jug. Careful. Film this episode 3. Make sure to share this video with all of your friends so we can get that view count up.
Yes, share me so I can be famous.
Okay. Wow. We're watching Avatar, drinking some sangrias. All right, ready? Cheers. Nice. Got everything. This dinosaur has a mask on it. Gotta film while doing it, you know? We gotta get the POV perspective. Hey, what was that? Hey! Alright, volleyball was a lot of fun. It was so nice to see everybody, but I have a night class in about 30 minutes, so what do you say we actually cook up some dinner and then attend this virtual Zoom class? Online class has just wrapped up. Now I'm a bit behind on my laundry, so let's go get some laundry done and then we'll wrap up this vlog. Laundry is all done, all put away. That concludes this week's episode of the vlog. If you've enjoyed this, please hit that like button, leave a comment down below letting me know what you thought, and also please give me some tips or ideas you have for future episodes, as I'd love your feedback. Anyway, with that, thanks, subscribe, and peace out. Catch y'all later.